No_tech on Twitter posted a batch of images showing of the Zfold 4 and Zflip 4 in the hands of what looks like a carrier employee. The Zfold is a bluish grey color and the Flip 4 is a blue color. The Flip 4, whatever I showed, it doesn't surprise anyone because all the leaks have already come out. It has a metal build. Around the hinges are smaller. The edge do appear a bit more flat compared to the Flip 3. Beyond that, it's the same design. The Fold 4 has a more interesting design. The hinge looks much smaller alongside the outer display, and it does appear to look slightly wider in the hand, but it's not possible to confirm because you have to see the Fold 4 and Fold 3 side by side. In the display, you can see a 100 display camera, but you don't know whether it has been changed. The biggest thing we can see from both the image galleries is that display crease is definitely reduced, because it seems like the competition from Find and the Xiaomi Fold and the Huawei all are forcing Samsung to reduce the crease on the phone, because the Samsung creases are very hideous, but Samsung is the only one that sells in the international market, so Samsung survived so long. But good to see competition. Let's see how it turns out to be on August 10th. That means 3 days from now it will be launched, and hope it turns out to be a great phone, at least maintaining the same prices if not lower. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.